Welcome to the amazing world of legumes and their significant role in soil nutrient cycling. Legumes, through their unique symbiotic relationship with bacteria, have the natural ability to convert atmospheric nitrogen into usable forms for plants. This process, known as nitrogen fixation, not only nourishes the legume itself, but also benefits the surrounding soil ecosystem. Now, let's identify some examples of these nutrient-enriching leguminous plants. Lens culinaris, better known as lentils, is an affordable and nutritious legume that enriches our meals and our soils. Glycine max, or soybean, is another nutrient powerhouse, widely cultivated for its diverse uses. Pisum sativum, our common garden pea, apart from being a tasty addition to our meals, also plays its part in soil nutrient cycling. Concluding our journey, legumes significantly contribute to soil productivity, crop diversity, and nutritional security, a little reminder of Mother Nature's endless wonders.